Okay, okay. Hello everybody. Today we uh, will to make some tests about Python this topic. Uh, this uh, this exercise we can we can see from uh, w3school.com. uh, here you see that a exercise is this uh, this Python list. Now maybe I will do my best to try to finish uh, on this side. Now let's begin. First, the uh, first exercise. Bring second item in the post list. Yes, maybe this the second item. So if we print, we have a print banana. Okay, we submit the answer. Oh my god, maybe found need to just more. The second item. Oh, maybe brings. Maybe put post one. Yeah. Now let's continue to the exercise 2. Change the value from apple to kiwi. Go to the kiwi. Plus 1. You assign list one index 1 to the new value. Here is the kiwi. Here is the kiwi. Okay. Oh my god. What problem here? Change the value from apple to kiwi. Oh, sorry. That's oh yeah. Exercise 3. You use append method append to the push. Okay. This is very basic knowledge for everyone who to learn Python. You must know about list, tuple, list, tuple, set, and dictionary. That is a very basic knowledge for you. And now here's the exercise 3. We need to append orange. Okay. Put out append maybe orange. Yeah, we see orange. Append orange. Okay. Come to the exercise 4. It's a lemon. Second boost. Okay. Dot. Maybe it's value and the second item plus. Yeah, the second item maybe 1. Yeah, maybe 1. Okay. 1 is the position. If you feel typing 1 here, this means lemon will is just after the apple value. Okay. Yeah. Correctly. Okay, now exercise 5. Remove. Yeah, remove. The same. The same with exercise 4. Remove. Yeah, you remove banana. Remove. Maybe. Yeah, exactly. Come to exercise 6. Use a negative indexing to bring the last term in the list out. You know that's in the list. You can see, for example, books have three value: apple, banana, and cherry. You can see, yeah, you can know that's this is the list out, and then this is the list one, and then the list two. But with negative indexing, you can see the apple is the O, the banana is negative 1, the cherry is negative 2. So we need to bring the last item in the list. That means you need to bring the cherry. So you can do it with root. This means negative 2. Yeah. Oh my god. Print root. Negative indexing. Oh my god. Oh, sorry you. Let's see the what. Yeah. Now exercise 7. Use a range of index to print the top 4 and 5. Oh, that means you. Let's see the in this out in this 1 in this 2. Yeah, we 2 to 5. That means we bring the person from 2, 3, and 4. Yeah, exactly. And now the last exercise. Use the correct syntax to bring the number of items in the list. Correct number of items in the list. Correct syntax to the print number of items. That means the length of list. Yeah, the length of list might be length or the root of length. Some mistake here. Whose print whose length. Banana, cherry. Someone mistake here. Or maybe I need to check there is some knowledge. Oh, wait a minute. Length. Insert. Oh, here, that's here. Let's see. Oh, breeze length and list name. Yeah, and list name. This mean and rows This name Bruce. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's see the let's see the A question is about list in Python. Yeah, I hope that is help you when you learn Python. It's very knowledge. Okay, that's also my challenges. Thank you. You say below. I hope that it will help for you more and more. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe. And please any comment. If you have a question. Thank you very much.